Have you ever wondered why some people with less talent make a greater impact than you? Maybe it's not about talent, but placement. Because even the best seed can die if it's planted in the wrong soil. This is the parable of platforms. How to multiply your God-given gift in the digital age. You have a powerful, heaven-given gift. But are you truly maximizing its reach? So many believers hide their divine abilities, trapped by self-doubt or the fear that visibility equals vanity. But Jesus said otherwise. Matthew 5:15. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on its stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house. Your gift was never meant to be hidden. It was meant to illuminate. And what is that gift? It's often the thing you call ordinary. The way you write, the way you teach, the way you organize or design. Romans 12:6 reminds us, we have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. Greatness always starts small, a mustard seed, a pinch of yeast, a hidden treasure. Each parable whispers the same truth. What starts in obscurity is destined for visibility. Your task is simple. Discover it. Refine it. Prepare it for expression. But the field has changed. The vineyard isn't physical anymore. Once, sowers walked dusty roads. Today, we scroll across digital feeds. The principle hasn't changed, only the soil. Instagram, YouTube, Substack, podcasts, these aren't just entertainment. They're mission fields. The real question is, which digital field has God assigned you to? Because strategy is stewardship. Just as the farmer in Mark 4 knew where and when to sow, you must discern the rhythm of your digital vineyard. A writer may thrive on Substack, a teacher on YouTube, a designer on Instagram, and every field has weeds, comparison, distraction, the pressure to perform. These are spiritual pests that choke divine purpose. But Galatians 6-9 says, "Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest." Stay faithful to your field even when no one's watching. Because in God's economy, consistency always beats clout. And this principle of faithful stewardship in your field connects directly to one of Jesus's most challenging parables. You know the one. A master gives 3 servants different treasures. 2, invest and multiply what they were given. 1 buries his. That story from Matthew 25 still echoes today. God doesn't multiply what you bury. He multiplies what you use. Your platform is the modern marketplace. Algorithms may shift, but heaven's principle of multiplication never changes. Take your gift. Invest it through consistent creation. Learn the patterns of your audience. And let faith, not fear, fuel your persistence. Because risk is not rebellion when it's rooted in purpose. That step you're scared to take, it might be the very one heaven is waiting to bless. But remember, this amplification without integrity leads to emptiness. Jesus didn't come to build an audience. He came to build disciples. Your platform isn't just about metrics. It's about ministry. Serve before you sell. Build trust before you promote. Proverbs 22:1 says, "A good name is more desirable than great riches." In business, branding, or faith, integrity is still the best marketing strategy. Your followers aren't numbers, they're souls. Let people feel heaven's fingerprint through your work, your words, your design. In a world obsessed with virality, God calls us to legacy. Likes fade, views fluctuate, but transformed lives, they echo in eternity. Colossians 3:23 declares, "Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for men." So, today, don't bury what God gave you. Don't despise small beginnings. And don't curse the platform, consecrate it. Because one obedient voice online can reach more souls than a lifetime of silence offline. You were never called to stay hidden. You were called to shine. So here's my challenge for you. In the comments, tell me, which digital platform do you believe is your assigned vineyard right now? YouTube, Substack, TikTok? Let's speak it into existence. If you're ready to stop burying your talent and start multiplying your impact, plant a seed right here by liking this video. Subscribe for more lessons on the kingdom economy. And let's grow together. Remember, your voice matters to heaven. Now go sow your seed.